In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of like fishing chest waders, and these are the ones that have the boots with them. And this is from the company Probite. You know what? Unleash the angler in you with Probite. These have the adjustable suspenders, so that way you can get the kind of the perfect fit along on there, and it's got some good little gear accessories and all that. The package includes chest waders with boots, wader care and maintenance tip manual. How about that? We all need that. A small little repair kit and a boot hanger. The sizing, all that. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open these things up and let's see what we get in there. So when you do get it, you're going to have to get it in the size that the boot that you wear, which you see right there. The sizing's on the bottom. I have a size 9. Taking them out here. There's the actual waders themselves. You know what? They feel pretty solid. These are very affordable, by the way. Oh, look, they give you a little phone holder. That's what that is. You know what? I got 10,000 of these things at that point. There's the little repair patch. So if you do rip them, you do get a repair patch. I'm guessing you'd use some sort of glue. There's the oh, that's the boot hanger. You see that, everybody? That's the boot hanger. And by the way, I'm out here on the river right now, so I'm going to put these things to a true world test. I have my fishing rod. I'm out here on the water, so let's go ahead. And you know what? It's a little cold today, but I got waders on, so I got nothing to worry about. Let me go ahead and suit these things up, and let's see how they fit. Oh yeah, these fit great. Right here is about waist deep. Hopefully I don't fall down in there. Well, I'm not feeling any water coming in, so that's a good thing. And by the way, this water is very cold today. Not the warmest thing. So I was up to waist deep water. Look at how it shed very nicely. Let's walk over here and try over in some moving current. But this is the advantage of having waders. You can get out further like this. So my other waders don't have the boots that are attached. These have the attached boots. So it gives me this ability to easily walk down in here and not get water inside my boots. The other ones work because they have booties and they are, you know, watertight on the whole thing, but I like this a lot better. I like the ones with the boots way more than I like the ones without the boots. I think the boots grip really well on the rocks. Oh, there for a minute I thought I caught a fish. I felt something grab it. Yeah, these things work really well, everybody. I don't see any issues at them at all. I will take them off here in a minute and show you how dry I am, but I don't feel I feel the pressure of the water and how cold the water is, but I don't feel anything on the inside. I feel very dry on the inside. First, we'll check my phone. Well, the phone's nice and dry. So the waterproof pocket worked. You know what? I wasn't completely submerged, but let me go back over here. I'll take these off and we'll check and see if I have any water on my pants or my socks. So let's do that now. The moment of truth. How quick release buckles. If you ever need to get out real quick, you just, oh, this buckle here. My phone, take my phone out. Take the phone, lay it over here. I have pants and everything on under this. We'll see how they go. I'm gonna pull them off. So they have a little bit of a kick tab right there that you can get them off with. I'd like to see that a little bigger. It worked. Look at that. You can definitely see water if I have water on me. There is zero water. My socks are bone dry. All of that's dry. A little cold, but we're all dry. The grip I thought was good on these things. I don't see any issues at all. I think this is a very affordable option for anyone that needs waders with the boots on there. I recommend these. Born to fish, how about that? So there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Probite chest waders with boots. See you all in the next video.